So we're gonna do a little quick project today. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to do this. So this is my blow-off valve. We are going to put this little gadget in here. It's gonna make it go psss. Doesn't really do anything other than that. It sounds different. Makes you a little different than everybody else's. So there's just three screws that hold it on. These are 8mm heads. The company I bought them from provides you with 2 sets of screws, some Allen heads, and then this hex head. You're going to use the hex head. It's going to take a 10mm socket. So let's just take them off. You need an 8mm socket. So let's just go ahead and take it off. Pretty simple. I'll get all 3 of these. This connection's got to come off. Okay, yeah, so 2 minutes to take it off. The process was that easy. So all we're going to do, this thing can only go on one way. So we're going to snap it together here. Get all these, make sure everything's lined up. There we go. Yep. Can only go on one way. So then the screws that they provided. I'll just put it back together. Just make sure your connector is facing the same way as when you took it off. So this one I had to get the Phillips because the socket wouldn't get in there deep enough to catch the head of the bolt. Alright, so we're all tightened up. Snap this back on. I'm going to take care of my tools. I'm going to start it up and let you